No, that's weird. That's weird. Yeah, look, I'm about to slide over to TikTok real quick. Um, oh damn. Okay, okay. My bad, my G. My bad. Okay, well do your thing then. I don't want to interrupt none of that. You heard me? Hey, I appreciate you popping in, brother. Number love. I hope all that goes well for you. Um, yeah, it sounds very interesting for sure, for sure, for sure. But look, I'm about to slide back over to TikTok here in a minute. I'm gonna holler at my boy. I'm gonna holler at Mike real quick. Um, I'm gonna see if he's still parlaying with Harley over there or not. Um, and I'm gonna schedule something. This is why I popped on there because I'm gonna schedule something on TikTok. I'm gonna get my boy Mike in. Um, and I think like the first few episodes, we'll run down like basic crypto to people. You know what I mean? As well as talking about some of the advanced things with it, and just give people a general idea about what crypto is, what the blockchain is, how it can be beneficial, the uses of it as until now, why people are even talking about the blockchain, and also particularly one of my main points I like to hammer into is the use cases for the verification of the blockchain when it comes down to mass marketing and mass media. So once you get like a lot of the major retailers and stuff to get into it and understand what the blockchain is, um, and also be able to utilize it